Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Olmos, and I want to welcome you to this week's edition of Ask Dr. Olmos. So, this week's question is it a problem if my child snores? And the answer is yes. Snoring in adults has been linked to hypertension, carotid artery, atherosclerosis, any number of cardiovascular events. It is a real problem for health for all people. Snoring in children and snoring in adults basically is saying that there's a compromised airway. And the good news about treating breathing problems in children is that they're growing. So these things can be identified early and corrected, whereas in adults, they have to be managed for the rest of the person's life every night. So that's quite an issue. And snoring in children linked to fatigue in the morning, hyperkinetic activity, ADHD symptoms. If indeed there's also wetting the bed or sleep tears or any number of issues of sleep. Restless sleep is a real indicator for children. So these are all things that need to be addressed because school performance is going to be compromised with these attention problems because the fatigue is manifest. So whenever you struggle to breathe at night, there'll definitely be issue in the morning. The American Academy of Pediatrics, they came out with a practice parameter guideline in 2012, which states that all children/adolescents, so all children under the age of 18, should be screened for snoring, and that all children/adolescents with signs and symptoms of obstructive sleep apnea should be given a polysomnography, and that's an overnight sleep study. So snoring is not something to take lightly. Snoring is an indication of a breathing problem. The breathing problem could be much greater than what might be observed. And that's why the recommendations by the American Academy of Pediatrics is to strongly look into these situations. So I'd certainly recommend that you get that looked at because there may be many other things that are related that you didn't think had any relationship. Thank you.